What's going on, YouTubers? Thought you might like seeing what's going on behind the scenes at the Busted Knuckle Garage here at HR Mud. Picked up a fix and flip Chinese scooter with a whole lot of problems. Picked it up for $300. Not running, missing body panels. Good stuff. See the reservoirs, master cylinders for the brakes are both toast. Yeah. Picked it up and hoping to get it running so we can sell it for some extra bucks. Got some more videos coming soon, some pretty awesome ones. You'll see those coming up. They're going to be coming shortly. But yeah, I thought you might like to see the behind the scenes of what's going on here. And if we get it fired up, maybe we'll get a good victory ride in. We'll see. This thing's pretty rough. It certainly has seen better days. Well, maybe one more time here. Oh yeah, that's solid as can be. So yeah, stay tuned for more riding videos. We take the ATVs out. You actually get to see that again. I know it's been a lot of mini bike, but yeah, we got the ATVs coming, and yeah, a few fun things in store. Stay tuned.